National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Catawba County, northeastern Lincoln County, Iredell County, western Rowan County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles north of Statesville to 8 miles northeast of Newton to 4 miles west of Hickory, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hickory, Salisbury, Statesville, Newton, Lincoln, Mooresville, St. Stephen's, Conover, Longview, and Maiden. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet at using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Iredell and Rowan.